On behalf of the captain and the crew, we'd like to welcome you to the United States. We have arrived at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, where local time here is 4:08 in the afternoon. The captain has requested everyone please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been turned off for safety planing. In addition, we ask you to keep the aisles clear of any carry-on luggage and refrain from opening the overhead bins until we're safely parked at the gate. When we arrive at the gate, we ask you to exercise caution when opening the overhead bins. Now would be a good time to check the seat pocket in front of you for your passports, phones, iPods, or any other small items that you may accidentally leave behind. Since Seattle is your first point of entry into the United States, all passengers, regardless of their final destination, must clear U.S. Customs and Immigration formalities here in Seattle Airport. This includes those passengers that are transferring to Canada. First, you'll be arriving into the baggage claim hall, where you will need to pick up all of your checked bags before proceeding to the Customs and Immigration's checkpoint. Once again, if you do have checked bags, you will need to pick up all of your checked bags from the carousels before proceeding to the Customs and Immigration's checkpoint. No landing cards are required here. Simply present the border police officers with your passport. If you do have a connecting flight after proceeding through Customs and Immigration, stay to the right. Follow the signs for flight connections. The agents there in green uniforms will take your bags and automatically transfer them to your connecting flight. You can go on to delta.com or your Fly Delta app at this time. Just check the status of your gate location, time of departure and boarding, and track your bags as you make your way through the airport. If you're terminating your travels here in Seattle Airport, stay to the left after exiting customs and go down the ramp to the street level. Additionally, there are television monitors in the baggage claim area to assist you with your proper gate and concourse location as well. It has been a pleasure serving you today. All the employees at Delta Airlines do appreciate your business, and if any of your future travel plans call for the worldwide destinations that Delta serves, we hope to see you on another flight. Thank you and have a great day.